if you end up watching only one video on my channel, I would want this to be that video. That's a very tall claim to make even before you've gone through the entire video till the end. I'll tell you very simply, it's a clickbait only for one reason. Because I'm not telling you to watch only one video, because if you watch this video till the end, you'll end up watching one more video. But that is the real crux of this entire coaching journey that I'm getting into. Hello and namaste, I'm Manissh Ahuuja. This is Paycheck to Profit, India's first online community platform, which is focusing on helping you just strengthen your money mindset, get over your money blocks, get you introduced to the concept of law of attraction with regards to wealth, and literally help you invest your money, learn about investing your money. We don't invest the money for you. We teach you how you can learn, get independent about investing your money and eventually being financially free. If that sounds exciting, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I come up with a new video. And I am not one of those intermittent YouTubers who just makes one video and forgets about it. I literally make 10 videos a month. So unless and until you are literally going to be that dedicated to set a reminder on your phone or remember that every 3 days I'm going to come up with a new video and then come and watch it on this channel, amazing. But even then, just subscribing is going to take you half a minute, and I would really recommend you to do that. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about one secret about this one particular video that was introduced to me just a couple of months ago, and how it has literally changed, I would not say changed my life, but changed my perception about money, which is changing my life. This month, I'm making videos only about law of attraction, and I'm going to talk to you about one audio piece which is so powerful that literally, if I had the opportunity, I would literally go and shake up every person and introduce this video to them, and I would tell them to keep watching this video every day. The video that I'm talking to you about is called The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale. Now, Earl Nightingale was a speaker, a trainer of sorts. In 1950s, he did this audio piece, which was actually done for salespeople, but it turned out to be so successful that it ended up selling over 1 million copies, and till date it is by far one of the most powerful pieces of audio programs that are available. It's obviously free in domain, so you can find multiple copies of The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale on YouTube. It's I'm so sorry, I'm just goofing up for some reason. It's The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale. Now what happens is, when you go through this audio piece, I would really want you to listen to it intently. I'll first of all tell you how has this piece helped me. The best thing that it did for me is that it corrected my mindset with regards to money. I come from a business family, and the main business of my family has been a retail store. So for me, my only perception and understanding of money was, to earn money, you have to sell. Because that's what a retailer does. We buy goods in bulk, we keep it in our store, we sell to our customers who land up on a counter, and that's how we make money. So that was my perception about money. But the business that I am in today, training, coaching, transformation, over here, the biggest way of making money is obviously via sales, but the perception and the thought process that every successful trainer, coach is supposed to have is not about sales, but it's supposed to be about the value that they bring into the participant's life. And I obviously will not give entire credit to Earl Nightingale for this, but my earlier coaches have taught me that giving value to my customers is extremely important. Giving value to my community is really important. But Earl Nightingale's The Strangest Secret got me into that mindset, which I'm absolutely grateful for. Second is that it has gotten me disciplined about the whole process of my business, because when you listen to it carefully, you will understand the whole magic of goal setting. You will understand the whole magic of being goal oriented. How do you stay focused? How do you stay motivated? The whole reason why I'm even making this video in this month is because this entire month I'm talking about law of attraction, And The Strangest Secret as a video incorporates all the principles of all the important principles of law of attraction in such a subtle manner that it's magical. It's very, very, very powerful. It gives me new ideas and perspectives every time I listen to it, and I make it a point to listen to it at least once a day. If not, every time I listen to it, it always gives me new ideas and perspectives, and I'm not kidding. And I'm not the only one. Just listen to that audio piece once a day and you will know why is it so important. It completely has changed my perspective of success. My earlier perspective of success was that I would become successful when I earn a lot of money, and now my thought process is I will earn a lot of money if I give a lot of value to my community, to my people, to people who get associated with my brand in any way. Even if you're watching this video right now, you're getting associated with my brand, and if I give you value, it'll come back to me in one way or the other. And this is one important piece which has been mentioned in The Strangest Secret very, very, very clearly. Now I'll tell you what is the only problem with The Strangest Secret. Because it was recorded in the 1950s, the audio is not the clearest, and Earl's accent is very strong, it's very prominent, which is obviously not a bad thing, but it becomes extremely difficult for people to understand what he's trying to say. Plus, at the same time, it's a 31-minute long piece. So what happens is, for you to get the entire gist correctly, what I have done with help of my friends, my wife, and many people, this was actually a project which was, there were at least 4 people who were instrumental in making this happen. Okay. What has happened is I have uploaded a video called The Strangest Secret on this YouTube channel. You will find the link of it in the description below. Please go and check that link. I have literally created a slideshow which it's like the entire transcript of The Strangest Secret is available to you on screen, so that if you don't understand the word that Earl Nightingale is trying to say, you can read it, you can form stronger perspectives, you can, install it in your subconscious mind on a very serious level. If you like something, you can take a screenshot of it and share it all across social media. It just becomes easier for you to incorporate The Strangest Secret in your life. How amazing is that? So I would request you to genuinely, if you have derived even a single knoll of information from this video, I would request you to make sure that you watch the entire Strangest Secret at least once. And for your benefit, I am very vehemently requesting you to watch it at least once every day. If you were to get into my coaching program, I tell my participants to watch it at least twice every day. Once in the morning, once by the end of the day. Just try listening to it. Listen to it absolutely peacefully, go through what he's trying to say, understand it, let it sink in, and you'll see how your attitude changes. I'll give you a very simple example of how my attitude towards content creation has changed. See, for me, the entire perspective of creating content, this takes my time, this takes my effort, energy, and it does not get me any financial returns per se, right? But the only reason why I'm creating so much content is because it gives out value to my community, to people who end up watching these videos for me. Earlier, I was making, let's say, about 3 videos every month, and those 3 videos would become 6 because there would be 3 in Hindi, 3 in English. And now I'm making 10 videos a month, so that's 4 videos more, but at the same time, 10 new ideas every month, and all videos are in English. So if you look at it, the jump has been from 3 ideas to 10 ideas being shared on my channel every month. And the main reason for that shift has only happened because today I understand how important is it to give value to my community and share new ideas about how people watching my videos can strengthen their money mindset and derive value from this. And it has happened primarily because of Earl Nightingale. One more thing, I have also started one more YouTube channel. It's a completely Hindi based channel and it does not talk about money. That's why I don't talk about that channel very often in this particular forum. But why am I sharing this with you is it's important for you to understand that law of attraction will find very unique ways to enter your life and get you motivated, get you on your journey towards your success, which you will define. And how will it impact you is going to be very different, and it's going to be very difficult to connect the dots of. If you know Steve Jobs' speech which he had given to Harvard, which he had given in Harvard, he clearly talks about you can only determine the pattern of your life in retrospect. You can only connect the dots in the future. It's been only 3 months since I got introduced to the Strangest Secret, and only in these 3 months can I connect the dots and see how much of my life has changed. And that's why I've created an entire video talking exclusively about the Strangest Secret. Believe me, I'm telling you, if there's only one video that you can watch on this channel, let this be it. If you've never shared my videos, this is one video which I would insist that you share with maximum number of people, because I want everybody to get introduced to the Strangest Secret, everybody to watch it. If they don't understand what Earl Nightingale is trying to say, watch it with the transcript so that it is very easy for you to understand every word that he says. Go through that video, watch it over and over and over again, and I can guarantee that you will derive a lot of value from that video. Please share this video with other people. Please get more and more people introduced to the Strangest Secret. Please manifest every possible desire of your life and make it happen for yourself, because you deserve it. That's about it from me in today's video. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Ka-ching!